Exercise 8.1. Question number 1 is the angles of quadrilateral are given in the ratio 3 ratio 5 ratio 9 ratio 13. The angles of quadrilateral are given in these ratio and you have to find out all the angles of quadrilateral. So here we'll use angle sum property, and whenever we have given ratios we always let it as 3x. Let first angle be 3x, second 5x, third angle 9x, and fourth angle 13x, right? And then it will be equal to 360 degree, as the sum of angles of a quadrilateral is 360. Now add it, it will be 30x is equal to 360 degree, x is equal to 360 divide by 30, it will be 12, right? So now the value of x is equal to 12. So you can put the value and you can find out each and every angle. Like first angle will be 3x, 3 into 12, 36. Second angle will be 5 into 12. Third angle 9 into 12, and fourth angle 13 into 12. Right? Let's do next question. Question number 2 is, if the diagonals of a parallelogram are equal, then show it is a rectangle. Here we have given diagonals of a parallelogram are equal, then it's a rectangle. Here given diagonals are equal and it's a parallelogram also, you are to prove it's a rectangle. So according to the definition, what we are to prove here, we are to prove that one of its angle is 90 degree. A parallelogram is a rectangle whose one angle is 90 degree. So here we'll prove, अगर हम ये prove कर दें कि एक angle 90 है parallelogram में, each angle prove करते हैं that all angles 90, तो वो rectangle होता है, पर उसके लिए हमें parallelogram नहीं चाहिए होता. Already parallelogram है, it's already a parallelogram. So if you want to prove it a rectangle, you need to prove only one angle equal to 90 degree. So how to prove this? Let's see. So let's take it ABCD is a parallelogram where AC is given equal to BD. AC is given equal to BD. And you are to prove that any angle you can prove here 90 degree ABCD. So let's take two triangle like this. If I take these two triangle, ADC and BDC, ठीक है, BCD, you can take ADC and BCD. We'll take these two triangles, and in these two triangles you can see DC is common base, AD is equal to BC because it's a parallelogram, right? In these two triangle, AD is equal to BC, that is because opposite sides are equal. Then DC is equal to DC, that is common in both. Then AC is equal to BD, right? Then we can say that by SSS, triangle ADC is congruent to triangle BCD by SSS. Right? Clear up to this? Now by CPCT, angle C will be equal to angle D. जो angle D है, this one will be equal to angle C by CPCT, right? Now these two angles are equal, so we can write here angle D is given equal, we have proved, sorry, that angle D is equal to angle C, and also we know that it's a parallelogram, so sum of adjacent angle is equal to 180 degree. So angle C plus angle D is equal to 180 degree, right? Then angle C and D are equal, so we can write down it as angle C plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Then 2 angle C is equal to 180 degree. Then 2 will be divided other side. Angle C is equal to 180 divided by 2, 90 degree. Okay. So now here we can say that triangles are congruent. Any query here? Sorry, that the given parallelogram is a rectangle. Question number 3 is, show that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other at right angles, then it's a rhombus. Now we have given a quadrilateral whose diagonals bisect each other at right angles. These are diagonals given and they bisect each other at right angles. That means these all angles are equal to 90 degree at point O. ABCD is a quadrilateral where diagonals bisect each other. That means OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. Right? And the angles at point O are given right angles because diagonals are bisecting each other at 90 degree. Okay. So now here we are to prove that it's a rhombus. So according to the definition, a parallelogram is a rhombus if its all sides are equal. A parallelogram is a rhombus if its all sides are equal. Right? So let's do that. Now here we can take these two triangles first. Okay. Let's इन दोनों triangles को congruent prove कर दो. Let's take AOD and AOB. We have taken AOB and AOD. In these two triangles, AO is common. AO is equal to AO. OD is equal to OB, right? And angles are given, say 1 and 2. They are given each 90 degree. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Given 90 degree. Then by SAS, side, angle side, these two triangles are congruent. AOD is congruent to AOB, right? And by CPCT, we can say here AB is equal to AD. यहाँ से हम कह सकते हैं AB is equal to AD by CPCT. By CPCT, AB is equal to AD. Right? Okay, then next, let's take the triangles opposite now. AOB and COD. अब हम लेंगे AOB and COD. Now we'll take here triangle AOB and COD, opposite triangles. Then AO is equal to CO, OB is equal to OD, and angle 1 is equal to angle 3. You can say vertically opposite also, or you can say 90 degree. Okay, and these both are given. Now you can say by SAS Again, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD, and by CPCT you can say you can say AB is equal to DC, right? Now here what we have now, earlier we have proved AB is equal to AD and also AB is equal to CD. Okay, similarly you can prove 8DC is equal to BC. So now here all sides are equal, so you can say that it's a rhombus, and its diagonals also bisect each other at 90 degrees, so it will be a rhombus. Here with the same method you can say DC is equal to BC, all adjacents and opposite sides are equal, so all sides are equal, so you can say it's a rhombus, right? Next question, question number 4 is, show that the diagonals of a square are equal and bisect each other at right angles. Now here we have given a square and you are to prove here the diagonals are equal and bisect each other at 90 degree. So square is given, so what you have given here, according to the definition you have given, it's a parallelogram whose all sides are equal and all angles are also equal, right? तो ये given condition में लेंगे हम that all sides and angles are equal. और हमें proof क्या करना है? What we are to prove here, that diagonals are equal and bisect each other at right angle. So let's take the diagonals now. Okay, let's see how to do this. First of all, to prove diagonals equal, we can take these two triangles. See, ADC and BCD. Okay, ADC and BCD. We can take these two triangles. In these two triangles, AD is given equal to BC, DC is equal to DC common, and angle D is equal to angle C, each 90 degree, right? Then you can say that these two triangles are congruent, ADC and BCD. These two triangles are congruent by SAS, and by CPCT you can say diagonals are equal, AC is equal to BD. AC is equal to BD by CPCT. So first thing is proved here, the diagonals are equal. We have taken the triangles ADC and BCD. Okay, AD is equal to BC, DC is common here. These two angles are 90 degree. So these two triangles are congruent, and by CPCT, AC is equal to BD. Next we are to prove that these angles are equal to 90 degree. Okay, so if we prove two angles 90, then automatically by vertically opposite others angle will also be 90. Okay, अगर हम एक भी प्रूव कर देंगे तो बाकी अपने आप से प्रूव हो जाएंगे. So to prove this, we can take these two triangles. So for this, we'll take now triangle AOB, and we can take AOD. So this is O point. तो हम ले सकते हैं अब AOB और AOD. Okay, then in these two triangles AB is equal to AD. ठीक है, AO is equal to common, AO is, let's do second part again. Here we are to now prove, earlier we have proved that diagonals are equal, that AC is equal to BD. Now we will prove that diagonals bisect each other. मतलब आपको प्रूव करना है OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. ठीक है, तो इसके लिए हम ट्राइंगल लेते हैं दिस वन, AOB और AOD. ठीक है, AOB and AOD, राइट. इसमें AO is equal to AO common, right? Angle 1 is equal to angle 2, AB is equal to AD, right? So by SAS you can say 1 और 2 इसलिए इक्वल है क्योंकि डायगनल्स आर इक्वल, साइड्स आर इक्वल, स्क्वायर के जो डायगनल्स हैं वो एंगल्स को इक्वल डिवाइड करते हैं. Diagonals of square divides its angles, diagonals of square divides the angles of square equally, right? 90-90 होता है तो ये 45-45 हो जाता है. ठीक है, you can say here each 45 degree. Okay, each 45 degree. Then by SAS you can say triangle AOB is congruent to triangle AOD. ठीक है, AOB is congruent to triangle AOD. So after this you can say by CPCT OB is equal to OD. OB is equal to OD by CPCT. ठीक है, इसी ट्राइंगल में, बाकी हम सिमिलरली कह देंगे, इसी ट्राइंगल में ये दोनों एंगल्स भी ले लो, 3 और 4. एंगल 3 भी किसके इक्वल हो जाएगा, 4 के, बाय CPCT. एंगल 3 और 4 लाई किस पे कर रहे हैं, एक सिंगल लाइन पे, तो 3 + 4 कितना हो जाएगा, 180 डिग्री, right? So 3 + 4 180. So you can see here 2 angle 3, 3 + 3 हो जाएगा 180. 2 divide कर दो because both are equal. So 3, it will be 2 angle 3. So angle 3 is equal to 90 degree. 4 be 90. Here you can say similarly 5 and 6 also 90. And similarly AO is equal to OC if we take two other triangles. क्योंकि हमने same method बार बार हमें show करने की जरूरत नहीं होती, so we can mention similarly. Again I'm repeating, firstly we have proved here diagonals are equal. Now we are to prove here the diagonals bisect each other. तो इसके लिए हमने triangle ली AOB, AOD, हमने इनको congruent prove किया. CPCT से एंगल 3 equal to 4 हो गया और OD OB के equal हो गई. ठीक है, तो आगे हम 3 इक्वल टू 4 हो गया तो दोनों इक्वल हैं और दोनों स्ट्रेट लाइन पे हैं, तो दोनों 90-90 हो गए, राइट? तो सिमिलरली वी कैन से, हियर वी कैन मेंशन, आफ्टर दिस we can mention here similarly angle 3 is equal to 4 is equal to 5 is equal to 9 is equal to, sorry, 6 is equal to 90 degree. And we can also say similarly ओ, जैसे हमने अभी प्रूव किया AO is equal to OC, सॉरी OB is equal to OD, तो हम कह सकते हैं OA is also equal to OC. एक बारी प्रूव करने के बाद बाकी के लिए सेम मेथड में हम सिमिलरली बोल सकते हैं, राइट? लेट्स रिपीट दिस क्वेश्चन अगेन. हियर वी हैव गिवन अ स्क्वायर, ओके, that means all sides given equal and all angles given 90. सबसे पहले प्रूव करना है diagonals are equal. So diagonals here we have taken ठीक है, डायगोनल्स को इक्वल प्रूव करना है। तो हमने ट्राइंगल ले ली इसके लिए, दिस वन एडीसी जिसमें डायगोनल्स आ रहे हैं, एंड दिस वन, ठीक है, लाइक दिस। एक ट्राइंगल ऐसे ले ली और एक ट्राइंगल ऐसे ले ली, जिसमें ये दोनों साइड्स इक्वल हैं, ऑपोजिट, ये दोनों कॉमन है, एंड दीज टू एंगल्स आर 90-90. Then by SAS you can say triangles are congruent, and by if these are congruent, then by CPCT we can say that these hypotenuse diagonals are also equal, right? So first part is completed here, that by CPCT diagonals are equal. Now we have to prove diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. Diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. तो इसके लिए हमने क्या किया, हमने ये दो ट्राइंगल ले ली, कोई भी दो ट्राइंगल यू कैन टेक, एनी टू ट्राइंगल्स, ठीक है, एक साथ एडजेसेंट आप कोई भी टू ट्राइंगल्स ले सकते हो। इसमें हम ये कह सकते हैं एंगल 1-2 के इक्वल है, क्योंकि ए 90 है और डायगोनल्स, क्योंकि स्क्वायर बिल्कुल इक्वल होती है ऑल साइड्स, तो डायगोनल्स उसको बिल्कुल इक्वली डिवाइड करेंगे, 1 = 2, ठीक है। सो एंगल 1 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 2, राइट। और यहाँ से ओ ए कॉमन हो गई, इन दोनों ट्राइंगल्स में ओ ए कॉमन हो गई, 1-2 के इक्वल हो गया, और ए बी सी डी के इक्वल है क्योंकि ऑल साइड्स इक्वल है। तो बाय एस ए एस दीज टू ट्राइंगल्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट, बाय सी पी सी टी ओ बी इज इक्वल टू ओ डी एंड 3 इज इक्वल टू 4, ठीक है। और 3 और 4 का सम 180 भी है, क्योंकि दोनों एडजेसेंट एक ही लाइन पे आ रहे हैं। तो यहाँ से आपके पास 3 और 4 दोनों इक्वल हो जाएंगे, एंगल 3 इक्वल टू एंगल 4 इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री, ठीक है। सो 3 और 4 90 आ गए, ओ बी ओ डी के इक्वल हो गया। यहाँ से सिमिलरली कह देंगे ओ ए इज इक्वल टू ओ सी एंड 5 and 6 also equal to 90 डिग्री विद द सेम मेथड, क्योंकि हमें एक ही मेथड को बार बार प्रूफ करना नहीं होता, right? So like this we can mention at the end similarly. Okay, so after this we can mention similarly OB OA is equal to OC and angle 5 is equal to angle 6, अगर हम ये दो triangles ले लें, ठीक है, ऑपोजिट वाली टू ट्राइंगल्स लेने, तो 5 इज इक्वल टू 6 इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री। दिस shows that diagonals of square are equal and bisect each other at 90 degree.